Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can verify a TikTok shop account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're gonna do is, first of all, you're gonna go ahead and access your TikTok app, and you're gonna go to your profile and you're gonna make sure that you're logged in with your TikTok shop account. Right, once you have logged into your TikTok seller account, you're going to go ahead, choose your business type, whether it's individual or corporate, whichever one you would like to verify the account for. Then TikTok will ask you to simply go ahead, provide the information, like it will ask you to provide your ID, your government ID, whatever source you have, whether it's can be a driver license, it can be your citizenship. Once you have given the information, and then it will ask you to provide your business license or business registration form or some kind of legal document of your business existence. Once you provided all of the information, make sure to recheck it once again and then tap on confirm. You have to wait for a while for TikTok to let you know whether your account has been verified or not, and that's all you need to do. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.